Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be talking about something that a lot of you have been asking about. Can you withdraw money from your Monzo account without your card? The short answer is yes, you can. But there are a few different ways to do it. In this video, we're going to cover all of your options. Option 1, use the Monzo app. The easiest way to withdraw money from your Monzo account is to use the app. Simply open the app and tap on the withdraw button. You can then enter the amount you want to withdraw and choose a withdrawal location. Once you've done that, you'll be able to generate a unique code that you can use to withdraw your money at the ATM. Option 2, use Monzo's virtual card. If you don't have a physical Monzo card, you can still withdraw money from your account using Monzo's virtual card. This is a digital card that you can use to make online purchases and withdrawals. To use your virtual card, simply add it to your digital wallet, such as Apple Pay or Google Pay. Then, you can use it to withdraw money at any ATM that accepts contactless payments. Option 3, use Monzo's overdraft facility. If you're short on cash, you can also use Monzo's overdraft facility to withdraw money from your account. This is a short-term loan that you can use to cover unexpected expenses. However, it's important to note that overdraft fees can be quite high, so you should only use this option if you're sure you can afford it. Option 4, transfer money to another account. If you need to withdraw a large amount of money, you can transfer it to another account. This can be done by using the Monzo app or by setting up a direct debit. Once the money is in your other account, you can withdraw it using your bank card. Additional tips. Before you withdraw money from your Monzo account, it's important to check the withdrawal limits. Monzo has different withdrawal limits for different account types. If you're withdrawing money from an ATM, make sure that the ATM is compatible with Monzo. You can find a list of compatible ATMs on Monzo's website. If you're using Monzo's virtual card, make sure that your digital wallet is set up correctly. If you're using Monzo's overdraft facility, make sure that you can afford to pay back the loan. Conclusion. As you can see, there are a number of different ways to withdraw money from your Monzo account without your card. Whether you're using the app, your virtual card, your overdraft facility, or transferring money to another account, you can get the cash you need. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, thanks for watching. Until next time.